Hello from Greece! Welcome to my channel! Today we have some new things to test, like this bronzer from BH Cosmetics, this brush, powder brush from Zoeva, and a complete eye kit with brushes from Zoeva. I'm like a freak, I know, but we'll fix it. So soft. This is the powder brush from Zoeva 106 and it's very soft. Let's open our bronzer. Pretty! It's rose gold. It's in the shade Golden Gal from BH Cosmetics. It claims to have a satin finish, so let's see. It has a mirror, a very good one. The size of it is normal. So a little bit dusty. Let's see. This color matches perfectly with my skin. I'm very fair, light, and that's the lightest shade from these bronzers. It could be a little bit lighter, but still it's okay. I have already done my base because today we try on a bronzer and some new brushes. I think it's not patchy, good shade for fair skin, and blendable and buildable. I love this brush. I can continue doing this all day. So soft. So, let's continue. This bronzer is really good. Now, let's open this complete eye kit with brushes. We have this, I guess, 4-letter bag for our brushes. Beautiful! With some hot pink inside. Pretty! So, the first one is the 142 Concealer Buffer. This well-protected brow liner 322. Oh, hard but not hurting. This 315 fine liner. This is the Luxe Definer Crease 224. We have this Luxe Crease 228. The next one is the 230 Luxe Pencil. This one is the 227 Luxe Soft Definer. This one is the Smudger 226. This is the 231 Luxe Petite Crease. This one is the 234 Luxe Smoky Shader. This brush is the 317 Wing Liner. And the last one, this Detail Shader 237. So today we will make an eye look that I love. I've already done it many times. Let's begin. I already put my paint pot, MAC paint pot, in my lid. So we begin with the brush 228 Luxe Crease. We take the color Kessie from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. That is exactly the same color with my skin. And I put it all over my eye. Let's proceed with the shade Edda from the Juvia's Place Masquerade Palette for our crease to blend it up. Blend, 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 blend. Now we continue with the same brush, the 228 in the shade Eerie G from the Zoeva Festival palette. This is a hot pink. Now I'll take the brush 227 Look Soft Definer and the shade Fulani from the Masquerade palette. Ooh! I like this brush. All the brushes till now are very soft and they collect the pigment very good. They blend the shades good. I like them a lot. Now we take the brush 237, some concealer to cut the crease. Now we take the brush Look Smoky Shader 234. We pack the color Odogu from the Festival palette, Jervis Place Festival palette. We put some Fix Plus. Woo! This brush is packing the pigment perfectly. Now we want to connect this cut crease gold with the brown one. Now we take the 226 Major brush and the color Dahlia from the Masquerade Juvies palette. It's a shimmer, so we take some Fix Plus. Look at this color. Put this in the lower lash line. And we take some Zola, that is a lighter one, put it here. Now, let's put some liner. Put some blue liner in the lower lash line. And some black in the lash line. Black eyeliner. Now we use the 224 Looks Definer crease. We take the shade Casey and fix everything wrong. Now we take the brush 230 Looks Pencil, the shade Uli, that is a white shade, from the Festival palette, some Fix Plus, and put it in the inner corner and a little bit in the brow bone. And we put some mascara to finish our eye look. This is the eye look we achieved with the new brushes. Everything was perfect, soft. Now let's continue with our lipstick to finish our makeup. Some Fix Plus and we are done. So this is our finished look with the bronzer from the BH Cosmetics and the brushes from Zoeva. If you liked our video, please subscribe and become part of our Greek Fat family. Like the video and hit the notification bell to know when I'm posting again. I'll try to post once a week, I promise. Love you!